keep, okay? Prepare yourself, ladies. Because for the first instruction, you need to blindfold your other half or your other partner. Come on, do it.
Okay.
Under legs there.
Ben, takpan mo daw yung
Okay,
mata.
cover their eyes, your partner, your other half. Come on, do it.
Wag yung leeg.
Yung hindi nakikita, ha? Ay!
Pati bibig.
Yeah, I cannot see you, Baron.
Hey, don't come there, bebe, bebe. No, no.
Baron, no. Stay here.
Sit there,
Stay,
sit there.
stay here.
Okay! Now the second instruction. You already have your yogurt with you, right? How about for your spoons?
Stay there, stay there.
No, after.
Other one? Wala na talaga.
After, okay?
Hindi na talaga sumikot yung ano.
Yalla, watch.
Hindi na bumalik. Okay sa ito, ma'am? Sabi ko eh, malaki talaga ito para sa mga restaurant. Nag-expose ang expose ko. Baka mamaya, instead of yogurt, yung spoon na yung manulok niya. Baka hindi pa makasya yung yogurt, no? And the second instruction, open your yogurt. Get ready ha, get ready for the music. And then,
Yogurt lang, ha?
nakikita yung mga ni sir. Bakit parang naka-full cover siya? Hindi na kita nakikilala. Who are you?
Tinakpan pati bibig.
How about sir? Who are you? Please, ano po? Yung mga ni sir, para makakakala ko siya. Oo. Medyo taas na to.
Pati ilong.
Okay. Perfect! Ang tingin ng mga chikiting natin. Anyway, for the third instruction, get ready boys and girls, because at this moment of time, we're gonna proceed with our feeding my partner, and we're gonna start and be the first to consume those yogurt, and as fast as you can, we're gonna start from 3 and 2.
Bilis, Che! Che, lunok ng lunok.
Sino pangalawa? Sino sa taas? Ay, ang galing. Pangalawa sino? Sino pangalawa? Sino? Okay! Parang hindi sa nangyayari. Dapat nila kailangan yung Anyway, you did a great job, ladies and gentlemen. You did a great job. Yun ang masasabi ko. And we're gonna proclaim, announce our winner, and that is you, Sir and Ma'am Mensch, tama ba? Congratulations for the both of you for winning this game. Okay.